Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're doing a creamy tomato pasta. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So into this luscious looking sauce and beef, I'm going to add about a cup of grated Parmesan. Then my noodles are ready. I'm fixing to go drain them. One thing about pasta is you never want to rinse your pasta, because if you rinse your pasta, it rinses all the starch off of it, and it needs that starch on there because it helps the sauce stick to it better. So never ever rinse your pasta. Alright, so I've drained my pasta. I'm going to add it to my sauce. Stir it around. Get it good and coated. And now for the last part of deliciousness, I am going to come and add some slices of fresh mozzarella. And I'm going to put this in the oven and let that melt, and then we will be ready to eat. All right, so I just pulled it from the oven. So now I'm going to dip some out. Throw a piece of toast, and there you go. Creamy tomato pasta. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.